I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you.
Hi, Brian M. Hazel here. I am an eternal optimist. Typically. There's a lot going on though right now where it challenges that mindset. You have new tariffs in place. You have an escalation of the war. You have elevated energy pricing. You have a leveling and not a drop of interest rates, which doesn't help you in terms of creating leverage, because that's what a business is really all about. Buying and selling. Buy low, sell high, provide a service low, sell the service, create a profit. It gets more challenging, it seems, every year. The question is, do you want the challenge that it presents, or do you not want the challenge in being a business owner? I would always choose being a business owner. So with being a business owner, it's not necessarily going to be a smooth road. In fact, it typically is not. And what you want to do is to make sure that rocky road that you're on and that rough terrain that you're on, you're well compensated for. You don't want to do it for a little or nothing with thin margins. How do you create larger margins? Using AI tools for marketing and advertising. AI tools are much more cheaper and easier to operate for the average person than when they were launched. We certainly use those here, and that helps us be able to deliver you a 5-minute pre-approval. In other words, the tools that we use can help you lower your stress. How do you ask? Log on, find out how much you're approved for in under 5 minutes. businessloansconnect.com. In under 5 minutes, you'll have a figure there, a figure that you can think about after you get that figure and how you're going to use that to expand your business, add equipment, create a new marketing campaign. And there's one other aspect of that that should work for you as well. And that is that we understand credit issues. Okay? Fair credit above 500 is much different than personal finance. In other words, for us, it's not so much about FICO score as it is about what you are posting in terms of revenues through your business bank account. Like the way I would look at things if I were you was my business bank account is at the top, is the pinnacle. Everything I'm doing is to put more revenue on a monthly basis through that business bank account. You record that revenue through your business bank account bank statements. You take those bank statements and those are your assets. That is your leverage. You use those figures and those bank statements to gain business capital, working capital, business lines of credit, business funding, business rescue loans of the many services that we offer. you find the category that's best for you. The only time that credit comes into it is in our larger fundings up into the $2 million mark, and with things like no prepayment penalty.